Learn English vocabulary with example sentences. Stab. He tried to stab me with a knife. I stabbed the fruit with a knife. Ascend. He is ascending the stairs. The airplane is ascending into the sky. Tug. Tug the rope hard. The baby was tugging her hair. Stomp. The child is stomping his feet in anger. She stomped her feet on the ground. Grab. I grabbed my child's hand. The officer grabbed him by the arm. Shove. He is the one who shoved me. Shove your suitcase under the bed. Flutter. The butterfly was fluttering its wings. The leaves are fluttering in the wind. Mumble. Stop mumbling, I can't hear you. He mumbled something and then laughed. Creep. He crept into the room. The thief crept into the house through the window. Patch. The plumber is patching the pipe. He patched the roof before the rain. Flatten. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin. Please flatten the paper before giving it to me. Poke. He poked his finger into my eye. Why are you poking me? Prick. He pricked his finger with a needle. The thorn pricked my finger. Pierce. He pierced the balloon. He pierced a hole in the paper. Tumble. The child tumbled down the stairs. He tumbled into the swimming pool. Stumble. He stumbled but did not fall. I stumbled while walking in the dark. Trample. Please don't trample the flowers. Don't trample on the ants. Tremble. The child is trembling with fear. He was trembling in the cold. Tilt. He tilted his head. The building had a slight tilt. Squat. Please squat down so I can take your picture. He squatted to tie his shoelaces. Clench. He clenched his fists in anger. He clenched his teeth to hold back his anger. Pound. Someone was pounding at the door. He pounded the nail into the wall. Embrace. She embraced her friend tightly. The mother embraced her child tightly. Trip. I tripped over the toy. He tripped on the stairs and fell down. Descend. He is descending the stairs. The cat descended from the tree. Subscribe, comment, like, and share.